Guys, welcome back to Meepers Jeepers. I just got off work. Sorry about the shirt. I wanted to do a video on the stock of Chrysler dealers in my area, which I'm in Marysville, Ohio. They have I cannot believe the amount of Jeeps they have here and trucks. So I wanted to put it on a video, see if you guys would chime in. Like if your dealers are have the stock like the ones do around us. Let me show you something. There is a whole 2 rows of them. There's one back there. This one here is a 24 Rubicon. If you can see that, $61,000. So I'm wondering if the reason these are sitting around, here is another Rubicon, $63,000. And this is in Marysville, Ohio. And they just have a ton of them. Here in a second, we'll go down a couple of the 23s. They have ridiculously discounted. They have a 4xe up in Sydney, which is, 45 minutes from my house, and it's a built 4xe. Like it's a Black Widow Overland Edition. That thing is marked down $30,000. It went from $93,000 to $64,000 for a 4xe. So I'm wondering if that is because, because it's a 4xe and nobody wants it. It's a beautiful Jeep, baby blue. It's built, got 37-inch tires, nice wheels on it. I just don't understand why some of these are still sitting around. Let's show you this. I mean, that is looks like pretty stock. There's a few options, but it's still 50 grand. As you can still see, there's still more on the other side. Let's see what that red Mojave is costing, because I think that like the Mojaves, I'm assuming that maybe some of the people don't understand when they buy the Mojave. I mean, it's pretty much a Willys with very, very expensive shocks on it. My buddy's got them on his. Look at that, $68,000 for a Mojave. But the shocks on it are the Reservoir Fox adjustable shocks. And like I said, my buddy has them on his Jeep. And you see all the trucks. They got trucks out the yin yang here. But my buddy has them shocks on his Jeep. And I know they can be rebuilt, but I know they're about $6,000 to buy them. I'm not sure what the rebuild would cost on them. So I guess, like I said, I'm not sure if, some people don't understand what they're buying when they buy them Mojaves, because it's basically, a Willys with a few extra options and them daggone expensive shocks that come on it. So I'm going to walk down here, let you guys look at these 223s, the Gladiators, the Gladiators don't seem to be gaining any traction for some reason. I think because it's, not exactly a truck, and it's not exactly a Wrangler. But they have 223 Gladiators here. And I'm assuming them Jeeps are 23s also, but, they don't discount the Jeeps or the Wranglers. But look at that. That is 25% off. So that's got to be close to $15,000 off this Gladiator. It doesn't have a window sticker, so I can't tell if it's a Willys or what. But guys, 15 grand, $16,000 off these Gladiators. Like, that's crazy. Like, I think I heard that, like, the dealers are supposed to have like a 30-day supply of Wranglers, Dodge pickups on their lots. And from what I've been seeing in videos, that most dealerships have like somewhere around 250, 300 days of stock sitting on their lots. So I don't know if it's just because the economy has knocked a lot of people out of new car ownership or what. But here's another Mojave. I mean, it's a beautiful truck, and that one's $68,000 also. Nice looking Rubicon. So the Mojave's $68,000. The Rubicon's the same price. That's crazy. But anyway, I know this pink had come back this year. Sorry, there we go. And I don't think it's got a window sticker in it. Oh yeah, it does. That's a Sahara. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Probably not. 49,000. But it's just crazy to see how much stock they got sitting here on the lots. I mean, I don't know how they're not discounting these things. But anyway, I was just kind of wanting to get this video before, because I live kind of far from here, before I went home from work. Like I said, you guys, let me know what your dealerships look like in your towns. Because here in Springfield and Sydney, which is, I don't know, about an hour radius of me, they all are like way overstocked, especially on trucks. But again, back to the Gladiator. I mean, $16,000 off is it's nuts. That's a deal. And like, if I don't need another Jeep, but if I did, I would be going to Sydney and picking up that blue 4xe. I know they've had some recalls on the 4xes, but I think it's just like the plug or something to the battery that's the problem. But that thing is $63,000, and it was like 94, or 64 was 93. Dude, it's crazy. So again, I just didn't know if you guys had the same scenarios in your towns, but I mean, you can see all them trucks down through there. And Coughlin is a Chevy dealer next door also, and they have a ton of trucks too. Their parking lot is also packed full. All the Cherokees. Like, I'm just assuming with the way the economy is, that people just can't, afford new vehicles right now, or they're too daggone high priced. So, but anyways, guys, that's it. That's all I have. Give a like and subscribe, and we'll talk again.